MLA ke NCP na kambe gre saleng sangma la Kynnoh baga caka bala bu bantai ke Tura Medical College kala kalalong ke cakari tngen lehnoh haba bu jingkali hasingi basan ke darbar senrai jong ke yeng darbar tawan hakat sandrik nailur ajar fuar ulong bloyo jingtip bapalat nyopungut lehnoh kiri tngen na kategi caka haki benai bladem haba jubab menteri ketrat kakoi ke khia James ke sangma ulong bo amsim layo pedang jingtip yakani jingri tngen lehnoh bat kular baga ketrat kampo yeng kasasim khia ikani James la pentebru baga jingtai ke Tura Medical College klaya chikmat but poi menta life person.
Speaker sir, reply to start question 81A sir. 1. The project for construction of Shillong Medical College is under active consideration. 2. Sir, the physical status of ongoing construction works of Tura Medical College is 33%. B. Sir, does not arise in view at A above. Sir, the Tura Medical College is under centrally sponsored scheme.
Yes, yeah. Mr. Speaker, sir, it was a proud moment of joy when I thought I'll be going down in the history for the people of Kyrwoh and Meghalaya when I went with Dr. Mukul, Chief Minister, then along with Royal Lingdo during the foundation stone which was laid near the Damal grave for this very medical college. And I was more happy when it shifted to my constituency, Gambegri. Now, it seems like there is no strategy as master plan even to lay a foundation stone. It was late in Damalki, but it shifted to my constituency. And I was happy that my people will get more benefit out of this. But anyway, Mr. Speaker, sir, now it seems like it was late. The foundation stone was laid in 2013. But till that, the Tura Medical College is not inactive. Now, last few months back, I got a report that around 17 numbers of unknown in a militant outfit, it seems like they were there. So whether any kind of an intelligent report is there, if this kind of project are being left out, then it becomes the, the heaven for the, or maybe the layer for the criminal activity. So I would like to, yes. So I would like to ask our honorable minister whether any kind of information is, is having for that particular area, or any kind of, construction will be started soon.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I am very thankful to the honourable member for his concern. And sir, I have not received any report as such of any kind of such kind of activities taking place, sir. And this is, of course, a matter which is pertaining to the Home Police Department. So if there is any information that the honourable member may be having, sir, we've noted it down and we will pass it on to the Home Department so that they can do due diligence and inquire into this matter, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Now, it seems like because we're leaving all the project just laying like that, not only the medical college, other project also. Now, it seems like we need to be more rigorous than the relevant. Now, perhaps providing the expertise, if possible, will be worth maintaining and discipline. So, on the ground, what I feel is that the continuations of work should start. Now, just because of that, like keeping not only this medical college, even I've got residential college inside the, jungle, you can say. It's inside the thing. Not only in my constituency, other parts of the constituency. Even in Siju, I have seen.
So the question, sir.
Yes. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, perhaps maybe in the future, the government might provide some kind of an expertise so that it will be worthwhile maintaining those infrastructure. so that this will not be the layer of any kind of a criminal activity.
Mr. Speaker, sir, let me assure the honourable member that it is the sincere endeavour of this government to complete this project, sir, and to see that this very prestigious Tura Medical College can be, completed. Pursuant to that, sir, I would like to inform the honourable member that we have a committee which is headed by the Secretary of Health in the government, who is monitoring the progress of the construction and the status of the project, sir. And I would also like to inform the honourable member that we have achieved 33% in terms of physical progress, sir. That is in relation to 17% in terms of the financial progress, sir. And I would like to again assure the honourable member that we will pass this matter on to the Home Department, so that if there were any such incidences which were occurring in the premises, those can be tackled by the Home Department. And as I want to again reiterate that it is our endeavour to see that this project is completed, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for giving an assurance. But since this is one of the most important institutions within the state of our Meghalaya, one of the two, so when this project is going to be finished?
Sir, the scheduled date of completion was actually 27th of January 2021, sir. However, sir, because of various reasons, this project, the progress of the construction was affected. So as we all know, COVID came and it has disrupted not just the construction process of the Tura Medical College, but so many other sectors in the state. Similarly, sir, it has disrupted the construction of the Tura Medical College as well, sir. We have given an extension of time, sir, which has been given till the 7th of February 2023, because this was sought by the construction company, sir.
Now, yes, Basan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, since it is under CSS, so I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, what is the total amount received from the Government of India for the construction of Tura Medical College?
Sir, total project cost is 243.82, sir, and the amount by the Government of India is to the tune of rupees 172 crores. Sir.
If that is the case, I would like to know what is the total amount spent so far?
Sir, right now, 41 crores has been billed, sir, which comes to a total of 17%. So as I was mentioning, the financial progress of the work is 17%, and this is coming to a total amount of 41 crores which has been billed, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, when can we expect the first session of the course for MBBS to be started?
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I was just mentioning, there are many challenges that this project has encountered along the way, sir, which has set it back considerably. It is our endeavor, sir, to make sure that we do finish this project at the earliest, sir. There are still many more challenges which still remain. To really specify a date, sir, would be wrong on my part. But let me assure the honourable member, sir, that it is our endeavour that we want to complete this as early as possible, sir.
No, sir. Considering the remaining work and everything, there should be some target as to when the first session can be started. So I would like to know specifically as to which is the target being put forward to make the first session of the MBBS course to be started.
So I was mentioning, sir, it is our endeavor to make sure it happens as fast as possible.
No target has been put.
But to have a target, sir, now that there have been so many setbacks to this project, it's really it'll be incorrect on my part to hazard a guess here, and based on a speculation, give a particular date to the honourable member. But as I said, sir, we are working very, very hard to see that this project is completed as early as possible.
Yes, Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir. In the course of his reply, the Minister has said that the progress of the work is 33%, and the amount spent out of 172 crores, the amount is released, so far releases 44 crores. If the progress of the work is 33%, how I don't agree with the figure the amount is released is 44 crore only. It should be more. Therefore, why the remaining fund is not being utilized? I would like to know it from the Minister.
So there is a due process, sir. Bills are submitted, it is scrutinized and then passed and then sent to the government for its approval. So such kind of processes take time, sir. So it is under process, sir, and very soon we'll be able to clear those bills against whatever has been raised. Release those payments against whatever bills have been raised, sir. It's a due process, sir. I'm very sure honourable member, having been an officer in the government of Meghalaya, he understands the process, sir.
One more supplementary, sir. In the initial reply, the Honourable Minister has stated that the physical progress of the Tura Medical College is 33%. But again, while responding to the supplementaries, in his oral reply, he said 17% progress of the 17% already completed as far as the Tura Medical College is concerned. So it is a little bit contradictory. So I would like clarification which is correct.
Sir, honourable member probably was not paying attention, sir. I said physical progress 33%, financial progress 17%. So there is no contradiction in whatever I've said, sir.
Yes, Manambo.
Speaker, sir, in the reply of the Honorable Minister in Charge Health, A1, the project for construction of Shillong Medical College is under active consideration. May I know from the Honorable Minister the amount earmarked for this project for Shillong Medical College? And number two, whether site has been shifted from the proposed one which you have replied in the last 2 days in the floor of the House, that site has been shifted and identified. So may I know what is the status of the Shillong Medical College?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I have replied to this earlier, sir, that the earlier MOU which was there has been cancelled, sir. So, as a matter of fact, the slate is wiped clean right now, sir. Therefore, sir, we are looking at floating a new RFP, which is inviting, fresh new parties to participate in a PPP with the government, whereby we can start a new Shillong Medical College, sir. So, that's in answer to his first question, sir. And in answer to his second question, sir, yes, sir, the site today, a few days back, as I had mentioned, the site is a new site which we are proposing, sir, which has been given to us. It is encumbrance-free land which has been provided by the government, by Honorable Chief Minister, to the tune of, it's to the size of 50 acres, sir. So this is in Shillong, New Shillong Township, sir.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you especially for Honorable Member, respected Basaleng, who brought again this issue which that day had been discussed. So it is very interesting since these two medical college, Honorable Member had brought this floor of the House to discuss. Seriously, Honorable Minister, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to put a question just to get information, clear information about these two medical college. No doubt about Shillong Medical College, tentatively the time that has been setting up or signing a MOU and agree with the PPP, like tentatively the years to 2012, if not mistaken. So may I know about the medical college in Tura? When was had agreed to to take up this project? Just to know the difference.
So this project, the MOU was signed between the project management consultant, which is TCIL, and the government of Meghalaya on the 23rd of December 2014, sir.